Assalamualaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I am going to show you how you can fix the inside the Kaggle notebook graph not showing issue. So here, this is my basically plotly.express code, and when I run this, okay, through the fig.show, there is no error comes, but here inside this, it shows me the specific height and width of that space, but no graph is showing. So how you fix this Kaggle basically notebook issue? This is very simple. In order to fix this type of issue, inside the fig.show, use here the method that is rendered is equal to iframe. Okay, that's it. If I again execute this line, okay, it can basically shift and enter. After adding the render, here you can see this, the graph is successfully showing. So this is how you can fix this type of graph not showing issue. So I hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this topic, on the video comment section you can ask your question, or a question link is mentioned in video description. You can go to that specific link. I will answer it to you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.